Unlocking the meaning of "it depends" in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you've probably heard often in English conversations: it depends. This phrase is a cornerstone in daily English dialogue, and understanding its usage is key to mastering the nuances of English. Let's dive in and unlock the meaning and usage of "it depends." When someone says, "it depends," they are actually saying that the answer to a question is not fixed or absolute. It means that the answer can vary based on different conditions or circumstances. It's a way of expressing that there is not just one answer. Instead, the correct answer can change depending on the situation. "It depends" is often used as a standalone response or followed by a prepositional phrase starting with "on." For example, "Are you going to the party tonight? It depends." "Will you be able to finish the project on time? It depends on how much work is left." By using "it depends on," you can specify what the answer is contingent upon. This opens up a path for further explanation and discussion. A common mistake learners make is using "it depends of" instead of "it depends on." Always remember that the correct preposition to use is "on." Additionally, it's important not to use "it depends" when a clear, definite answer is required or already known. To get comfortable with using "it depends," try to think of it as your go-to phrase for expressing uncertainty or variability. Practice with different questions where you think the answer could change. For example, "Does it always rain in London? It depends on the season." "Is it expensive to travel to Japan? It depends on the kind of trip you're planning." In different cultures, "it depends" might be seen as a diplomatic or indirect way of giving an answer. It can be perceived as polite because it avoids committing to a direct yes or no, which might be too blunt or may require more thought. I hope this exploration of "it depends" has shed light on how versatile and useful this phrase can be in English. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to adapt to different contexts. And "it depends" is a perfect example of this flexibility. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find this phrase an indispensable part of your English conversations. Until our next lesson, keep learning and have fun with English.